Welcome to the Brooklyn Brothers. Today we're going to show you how to make tiramisu. By the way, we're having a little friendly challenge with another YouTube creator, the French guy. His channel is CCW Cooking. He's out in Paris, France. It was his idea, so anyway, he's going to make one also. Check out his channel and let us know what you think about it. Anyway, let's start showing you how to make this tiramisu.
These are the ingredients we'll be using today to make the tiramisu. We have some espresso, sugar, unsweetened cocoa, a little bit, some eggs, cream, mascarpone cheese, some vanilla extract, a little marsala wine, and of course, ladyfingers. All right, let's start making this tiramisu. All right, first thing we're gonna do is get our espresso ready, and we're gonna go ahead and get the egg yolks with the sugar combined together and get this process going. Went ahead and filled up this pan about an inch high, this saucepan. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on medium-high heat until it comes to a simmer, and then we'll start slowly cooking the yolks. All right, we have our egg yolks ready. We have 8 egg yolks. The water's nice and it's simmering right now. So we're gonna go ahead and place this on top of this pot right here. Then we're gonna go ahead and add 3/4 cups of sugar. And then we're gonna go ahead and add 1/4 cup of marsala wine. Then we're gonna go ahead and whisk this until it becomes about 3 times its size right now. Okay, all right, we need to keep continuously whisking this egg. Make sure it doesn't stick, it doesn't separate. Okay. After vigorously whisking the egg yolk for about 5 to 7 minutes, it's now tripled in size and all ready. Now we're going to go ahead and set this aside and let it cool for about 15 minutes. All right, now we're going to mix the mascarpone and the extract together in a separate bowl. This is a tablespoon of vanilla extract. We're going to go ahead and fold that in real nicely. I like the consistency of the mascarpone, kind of like a cream cheese, but doesn't taste anything like it. It's a little bland. You got to add some spice to it or a sweetener to give it some good flavor. Remember when I made this for Vietnam?
Yeah.
Boy Scouts? It was like a 10-pound tiramisu. That went pretty quick, huh?
Yeah.
All right, this is all ready. Now we're going to go ahead and start on our whipped cream. Now we're going to make some whipped cream. I got 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream here. Pour that all in there. And then we're going to lock this up. And we're going to go ahead and let it spin until it thickens up. All right, so increase the speed a little bit. Whip it up. Getting thick. All right, whipped cream is ready. Now I'm going to go ahead and combine this whipped cream to the mascarpone mix. Now we're going to go ahead and fold this all in together, like so. Looking good. Real nice. All right, now we're going to take our yolk mix with sugar. This is going to sweeten it up really nice. It's got that marsala wine in it and sugar. Fold that all in there. Oh yeah. Now I'm going to put it back into the bowl. I'm going to mix it up really good again. Bowl in here. Get it nice and tight.
Lock it up. Go ahead and mix that around. That'll become more fluffy again. All right. Nice and thick. Let's give it a taste.
Delish.
All right, we have our ingredients all ready to put this cake together. We're gonna go ahead and dip our ladyfingers in the coffee, just for about a second. And then we're gonna go ahead and line up the pan here. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and put a layer of cream on there. I'm gonna take half of the mixture actually, and then use the other half for the top. Let's go ahead and spread that around evenly. Okay, just like that. Okay, go ahead and get some more ladyfingers. All right, now we're gonna take the rest of our cream, pour it on top. It's always great to use a rubber spatula. You get all that cream, no waste. All right, I'm gonna take our tool here and just smooth it out on top. Want to make it as even as possible. I usually make a square tiramisu, but the French guy, he's very creative. I'm sure he's not going to make a round or a square one. He always comes up with these different variations or creations of recipes, which are pretty awesome. You need to check them out. All right, now we're going to cover this up. We're going to let it stay in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours, and then we're going to go ahead and top it with the cocoa. Okay. Pull out our tiramisu. Been chilling. Go ahead and get this out of the pan. There you go. All right, go ahead and smooth it out around the edges here. All right, now we're gonna dust a little cocoa. Cover the whole thing up. This is unsweetened cocoa. You don't want to get the sweet kind, it'd be too sugary. And there we have it. Tiramisu.
Mama, taste that tiramisu. Let us know how we did. Is it good?
Delicious.
Oh, thank you.
Very light and creamy. Good.
Excellent. Well, we did it. Thanks for watching, folks. And like I said, check out the French guy on CCW Cooking. He's making the tiramisu as well. Take care, guys. See you next week.